Okay, so tell me, how is Indian culture is good?
Indian culture is very good because Indian culture give us many more things like good quality of clothes, yogas, Ayurveda, and many more things. That's why Indian culture is very good.
Okay, so you told that Indian culture is good because Indian dresses is more good. Okay, but I don't think that. But you can see everybody go anywhere and any party that time they wear Western dresses, not Indian dresses. So that means Western dresses is more good. And you can also see if you go and mall and like society, so that time every person wear like Western dresses, not Indian dresses. So how can you tell that?
Yeah, you many points you are telling right. But if you are saying see the quality of clothes in that time, Indian people use the quality to make the clothes. It is very good for our skin and our health because if you are saying the we are using the cotton, jute and silk, whatever we use, they given by the nature, and this is good for our body. And if you are saying the foreigner dress is like very tight, and this is not good for our body because if I wear the jeans in that time many disease skin disease are happen, and this is not good for if you wear the tight clothes in that time, this is not breathable, and this in that time many ills come in our
got
body.
it. Okay, got it. Okay, but you can see also everybody buy like Western dresses, not Indian dresses. And you are talking about like Western dresses not good quality provide dresses. I don't think that because every person buy like Western dresses, and they provide in cheap price and good quality than Indian dresses. And right now you can see, and like you are talking about Indian dresses is good because Indian dresses provide like good quality, and you can see it's like sari, and I don't think that sari is good because sari material is not good because
no, you are not telling sari material is not good because sari material use the cotton like cotton clothes, and this many in Kerala side many new couples are coming in nowadays, and this is making the by the help of bananas tree and plants, they making the by the help of these types of thing, and they make the roof, and after that they making clothes, and this is good for our body also. And if you are saying the sarees, in one sarees you wear 100 different designs, and this is good for our budget also.
Yeah, you are telling right. Yeah, it is good, and it is good for our health. And if you wear like bananas, and you are talking about like this, okay, it is good. But I don't think that every person can afford because it is very expensive. But if you buy like
day by day, this types of company are increases. And what if you start any business in that time, first of all they very their conditions not good, but day by day this is very cheaper given by the very cheaper price, and this is good for our health also. And if you are saying foreigner, this is very hard clothes, this is not soft, and this is affected mainly newborn baby, mainly if you are wear the foreigner clothes in that time, they many types of rashes come in their body.
I don't think that is happen. It's happen by the nature and like environment and like weather. You can't blame like it's fault of dresses. I don't think that.
No, many clothes if you are wearing that time itching, and many different disease are coming our body. And tight, you if you wear any tight clothes in that time, many disease day by day increase in your body.
Can you tell me any one dresses name?
Jeans. If you are not short in summer season, if salt is not coming our body in that time, many disease come in your body. And if you are saying the Indian culture, yogas, this is very good for our body also.
Okay, you are talking about like yoga is good for our health. Okay, I accept. But okay, I don't think that everybody do yoga because everybody want to go in gym, not everybody want to do yoga. Because why? Because gym is good for our time, and we can manage our time, but it is not good for our it is not good yeah.
Okay, I understand. If you are anybody going to the gym in that time, nowadays you are also seeing many big celebrity and normal people also going to the gym. In that time, they feel sometimes they injured by the heavy weight, and whatever, they also many people's come in news, they doing heart attack in this types of thing. And no one, you are not saying that any people duration of yoga they die, because now because yoga is good for our body, and gym are, you are saying doing every time, but yoga is what who mainly this is doing the early morning, and this is very good for our body. And if you are doing the yoga, in that time no disease come in your body, and all disease go out your
I'm able
body.
to accept your point, but I don't think that everybody gain weight, because I don't think that skinny guys gain weight, and if you do gym, that time skinny guys gain weight very in short time. But if you do yoga, skinny guys doesn't gain weight. So how?
Okay, gaining muscles and you gaining muscles is not mean you are very powerful man. Okay, who has no more muscles, and they doing yoga, they doing hard work in that time, they also they are very strong person.
Okay, I will ask only one question. Okay, if any person do gym in 1 year and in regular, and if any person do yoga in regular in 1 year, who will look good? Can you tell me?
Not look good, only who person are doing a yoga, in that time their skin glow is very good, they are internally very peaceful mind, and they feel very good.
How can you say?
Because only you are also seeing the big sports are also where physiotherapies are, where mind doctors are also saying, if you wake up in early morning and you do yoga and pranayam, these types of asanas, in that time, after start your day, in that time your whole day is very peaceful and you feel very relaxed internally.
Okay, I accept your point, but okay, nowadays you can see every teenager doesn't wake up in the morning.
This is bad thing in our society, because mainly it's a human nature, bad thing absorb very fastly.
So that's why we should go in gym. That's why you should go in gym, because
If you are-
everybody are not able to do yoga.
Why you are not, if you are a habit, if you are change your body and little bit your sacrifices happen, it's
But everybody doesn't do this, na?
why it's your fault.
It is not my
Not
fault. It's
culture
every
fault.
our fault. It is every person fault.
Yeah,
It's not
bad
my
thing
only.
absorb wrong very easily, it's a human nature, I am told also. And you who person are wake up early morning, they have fresh mind, many disease are not coming their body.
Okay, okay, and you can see like Western, if you do celebrate Western party and etc. So that time you don't spend lots of money. But if you celebrate Indian any festival and any event, that time you will spend lots of money. So that means it is not good.
Okay, you are told that we are spending more money because we have money and we able to spend money, and that time if you are if we are spending money, in that time this is good for our society, because if you are save money all time, it is not good for our society and economy, because nowadays if you are starting that time you book any tent house and purchase many more things, in that time you exchange your money, in that time this is good for our society, I think.
I don't think that, because if okay,
If you are not able to spend money in that time, good, but if you are able to spend money in that time, not good, you are saving all time your money.
okay, it is good, but I don't think that, because okay, if you celebrate like Diwali and like Holi, okay, and that time you will cook lots of food, and you will invite lots of member and lots of society and neighbors. To that time they will not come. To that time it will waste
No,
food.
it's the beauty of our culture. In that time, nobody normal day they are not talking each other, but in the Holi and Deepavali, Eid, in that time they meet each other and forget all the quarrels, and they meet up each other and they eat together. This is good, and this is beauty of our culture.
Okay, it is good. Okay, I accept your point, but I don't think that every time all person come in our home. I don't think that, because and I also told that, and we cook lots of food and with different different type of variety food, and that time they will not eat. So it is waste our food. So
No, you are not saying, because nowadays we are very soft-hearted person, and if you are nobody waste your food, because after if all the food they going to the any cow they eat, and who are beggar, we are distribute food
But
in festival time.
Okay, you are telling right, but I don't think that everybody do this, because everybody do, and like everybody throw in like garbage, not give to
Not
cows.
garbage, not if a waste potato you have, in that time you also throw the in the earth and mud, and after some days they are decompose, and this is good harvest for
Okay, I can do this, but Indian culture doesn't do this. No,
Indian culture do this,
Yeah,
and
and Indian
foreigner
culture
not do this type
Indian
of thing.
culture doesn't do this
by
because-
the in a farming area, our culture is very progressive in farming area, and we are very exported many more things. And if you're saying the Indian culture beauty, in that time we are celebrating in India, many religion persons are present, and this is, and after that we are living together, we celebrate other religion festival, and this is, I think, beauty of our country.
Okay. You are talking about like beauty and like our culture. Okay, it is good. Okay, and they celebrate like crackers, and like they celebrate. Okay, they celebrate Holi. Okay, it is good. Okay, and it's give to opportunity to meet our like society member, and like okay, it is good. But I don't think that it is good, because everybody do spend lots of water, and lots of person are lots of person do air pollution. So that is not good.
How you're saying you're saying that by the help of firecrackers we
Yeah,
are causing
yeah,
air pollution.
yeah.
In that time, foreigner are also using crackers, because they celebrate any festival area, any good anything, they also use firecrackers. And we are in Deepavali, mainly our culture is making a fire the deep, and celebrate the Deepavali. And I think firecrackers mainly come out the foreigner, because we are not, our culture is not by the firecrackers, and sometimes we are using, but they are not more harmful, because nowadays you also seeing the
I got it. Okay, you told that we celebrate and we do use Deepavali. Okay, and you told that everybody also like a Western person also do use crackers. Okay, but according to, you can compare this like Western person doesn't use lots of crackers than Indian person, because Indian person use every day, and every time use, in every after happiness they use. Why they use? I don't think that it is good for our environment. And like you can see, after marriage they use, and like after birthday they use. I don't think that
in
is.
our birthday they are not used.
How can you say they don't use? Of course they use. And like you can see, I think you also watch like a cricket match. After winning India match, every person using like crackers. Why is using a
The
cracker?
same thing happen in a foreigner. If suppose that they are not win,
I don't
but
think that-
if they are you win, in that time they are also use firecrackers.
I don't think that foreigner do this. And you can also celebrate by the help of sweet. Sweet is also good, but you don't use like sweet. You use like crackers. So I don't think that cracker is good for our environment.
Same thing. Firecrackers not good for our. It's not belong to our culture. Firecrackers not belong to our culture, and we are celebrating many more things. Like if we're saying the sweets, food culture is very good for our Indian culture, because many varieties are available. We are eating the fresh food, fresh vegetables.
Yeah, okay, I accept your point, but okay, you can see like Western person who is make salad. I think Western person make salad. So-
They are not every time make this type, or they use mainly
Can you tell me who is design a salad? Can you
I
tell
think-
me Indian has designed या Western has designed?
I don't know in this matter. I don't know, but mainly Indian people use a very good and in India culture is very variety of foods available, and this is good for our body.
Okay, you are telling that Western doesn't eat like Western like fruit and like vegetables. Okay, you are telling that.
No, I'm not telling that you Western people not use fruits and vegetable. They use, but they are not fresh. They not adapted fresh vegetable.
How can you say? And you can see also like many vegetables come by the help of other country and export and import. So how can
In
you say?
India, it's a very good. In India, culture is very good because not in Indian environment very good. We easily get fresh vegetable and fruits because by the environment and by the location